This is a test. This is only a test. This is a test of the emergency alert system. Had this have been a real emergency. This is a severe threat for all of Fulton County. Remain indoors immediately and always check your surroundings. Lock all doors and seal all windows. It is recommended that you use anything and everything to block and seal all forms of entry in your home. Preferably all household members should stay in either their highest or lowest part of their home away from any known means of entry. Thank you for listening. This was only a